growing up, the Jewish shopping districts were in these numbers along 4th Street, which was called the Ferte, and it was shopping. I guess it looked like a Hester Street with stands and shopping venues all the way up to South Street, and also 7th Street in South Philadelphia, the Zibida. And there were signs, and again, it looked like Hester Street, push carts, butter and egg store, and kosher signs, and all of those things there. My father's family, my father's cousin, some cousin, had a men's clothing store in this area, and he was always kind enough to call us about a week in advance of his fire sale so that we could go in and buy a suit or something from this man. And then he had his yearly fire sale, and he restocked, and it was a wonderful experience with him.